Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.
Bye-bye, baby star.
In the meadow where the wildflowers bloom, 5 ducks waddled, dispelling the gloom. With feathers of gold and a quack full of cheer, they ventured together without any fear. One sunny day, as they splashed in the creek, a shadow approached, it was quite unique. A zebra with stripes like a painter's bold brush stood by the water in a curious hush.
Why are you here? Asked Daisy so bright, the leader of ducks with their heart filled with light. I've wandered from far across fields and glades to find friends who will share in life's colorful shades.
Then Donald stepped forth with a tilt of his head.
We're just 5 little ducks. Why would you tread
among us so different, your coat black and white? Can we bridge our divides? Can we dance in delight?
But the zebra just laughed with a voice soft and sweet.
Differences fade when you meet heart to heartbeat.
For look at your colors, your joy is profound.
Together we flourish where friendship is found.
So they splashed through the water, a chorus of joy. Each duck quacked their laughter while sharing their toys.
They twirled round in circles beneath skies so blue, while the zebra danced wildly, a sight pure and true.
Through ripples and giggles that echoed afar, they discovered that love shines brighter than stars.
As sunset dipped low and painted skies deep red, the 5 ducks embraced their new friend overhead.
Though different they seemed on that magical eve,
their hearts wove together more strongly than weave. For bonds born from kindness can weather all storms. In unity's warmth, every spirit transforms.
So remember this tale of 5 ducks and a stripe.
Embrace those around you, there's magic in type. Let differences sparkle like jewels in your eyes, and cherish each moment that friendship supplies. Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.